Brace yourselves as this tool is about to break the internet. Imagine being able to speak hundreds of languages to your prospective clients and your prospective guests. Préparez-vous car cet outil va exploser Internet. Imaginez parler des centaines de langues à vos clients et invités potentiels. 准备好，因为这个工具即将改变互联网。想象一下，能与潜在客户和潜在客人说上数百种语言。インターネットを壊すこのツールに備えてください。将来のクライアントやゲストと何百もの言語で話せることを想像してみてください。Przygotujcie się, bo narzędzie to zaraz zepsuje internet. Wyobraź sobie, że możesz mówić setkami języków do klientów i gości. Esta herramienta está a punto de romper internet. Imagina hablar cientos de idiomas con tus clientes y tus invitados. İnterneti kıran araca hazırlanın. Potansiyel müşterilere ve misafirlere yüzlerce dilde konuşabilme yeteneği sağlar. Okay, I'm going to show you guys how to create these videos. So first thing is click the link in the description, and that's going to take you straight through to where you need to be to keep on going. And you might need to sign up and create an account for yourself. Which industry best describes you? We're a marketing agency, company size, we are 11 to 50. What kind of videos do you want to create? Ads and promotions, social trend, internal training, entertainment. How did you hear about us on YouTube? Fantastic. So we're going to go in and upload the video. Okay, so one of the key rules to this is that it needs to be over 3 minutes long. I've selected my video for import. You can select the different languages. So they've got, I think it's around about 8 that they have right now. So Korean, Turkish, Dutch, Japanese, Chinese, Portuguese, German, Italian, Hindi, and French. So, and they have many, many more languages that are potentials in the future. So you'll be on a free account right now, so producing this video will consume your credits as listed below. Please confirm. 2 credits left, credits needed half. Fantastic. And then we're gonna upload it. So we'll do Spanish, we'll do some, do we have Japanese? We'll do Japanese. We're going to do, what have we got? We had Spanish, Japanese, we'll do French, and then we'll also do Polish. And really straightforward and easy to do. All right, fantastic. So what we're going to do, because it only lets you do one video a day, we're actually going to upgrade our account. And then you've got these different options, which is 5 credits, 15 credits per month, $24 per month, and you can pay per year or by month. And we're going to do the upgrade so that we can process more videos. So once you have signed up for your account, in the top right here, you'll see how many credits you have now. Heygen has been around for quite a while, and they've got all sorts of tools that you can get into and use. Now, I wasn't familiar with them until today, and if you want to find what you have created, you go to Labs, because it sounds like it's something that new that they're working on, and we go to Video Translate. And it's so exciting that this is a tool which is brand new, but yet does so much, and you can only imagine where it's going to go to. So now we have all of our videos, which we can download, edit up, or do whatever we like with. Wow, this tool is absolutely incredible. I cannot believe it. And this is just the beginning with this particular tool. Imagine the possibilities. You can send a message directly to someone on the other side of the planet in a different language. You could take all of your old video content and then change the language and send it to your loved ones for them to understand. This is just the beginning of what is going to happen with AI and its possibilities. It's quite daunting, it's quite scary, but really exciting as well. Now, folks, I create all sorts of content which is really useful for business owners in terms of using AI within your business. The links are below in the comment if you want to follow my journey, if you want to discover and explore these AI tools with me. Make sure that you give us a like and a subscribe and share this around. Show other people what the possibilities are. All right, take care. Have a good day.